That's how it started. Her old man tries to kill Menendez. Menendez wants payback, even if it takes decades. Menendez, back then, is a big fish in a small pond. He made his cake from the drug cartel out of Nicaragua. It was a hand-me-down. The CIA smoked his old man. Old Cyclops is pretty pissed at America. While we're fucking around the Middle East.
Well, look at that. Menendez got a whole private fucking army hidden out there.
Cubans. Elite rank. State-of-the-art tech.
How many followers does Cortes Diaz have right now? What, 1 billion people?
Try 2 billion. You'll never believe their leader's a terrorist. They think Menendez is their savior.
They've got a hell of a disappointment coming. That's all I can say.
Time to go see what Menendez has got hidden down there.
Reinforcements.
You ready, Harper?
Keep momentum on your swing. I want to be left hand. Surface is a little uneven. Jam hard with the nano gloves.
So far, so good.
Ready? Okay, hotshot, your turn.
One more time. Let's go. Yeah, we're okay. Thanks to you.
Wide open. A little more than skeleton crew. Walk in the park.
No seas idiota. Do not underestimate Raul Menendez.
His followers sure did. And what does Cortes Diaz mean exactly?
It's Latin. Hard day, some shit like that.
Sounds like something noble.
That's what Menendez wants his followers to believe. Trust me, it isn't. Crosby, you're up.
Right, man. Easy does it. There, the gap in the mountain. Deploying shoot! Deploying shoot! Deploying shoot! Gap in the mountain. Deploying shoot! Deploying shoot! Deploying shoot! You good?
I'm good. Salazar, Crosby, you got the left side?
Cover! Ready on your go!
Kurgan, this is Harper. Come in. Enemy's preparing to leave location. Advise.
We need firm intel on their capabilities. You are clear to engage.
Section, you seen this?
Yeah. Be ready to move on my kill. An EMP grenade will fry their cloaking systems. Guns down! Okay, let's get moving!
Section! Hack the weapon systems of that ground is burned! Push forward! Don't let him breathe! Give these bastards a taste of their own medicine!
Moving in!
They're falling back!
Engaging!
Come on! We got him on the run! Underground.
Kraken, this is Section. Surface installation is neutralized.
Nice
Moving to
going,
investigate
Red.
secondary structure. Turrets down!
Hell yeah!
Watch your step. Floodwaters may have weakened the structure.
You fried his ass, Section! Holy shit. Look at this.
What we saw up top was just a front.
Walls are several meters thick. We lose comms inside.
Update Briggs. Tell him we're moving in.
Dragon, this is Harper. Confirming SciTech installation beneath the temple. Requesting immediate cleanup and containment unit to our location. Be advised, we will lose comms as soon as we make our entry.
Kraken confirms. Ground team moving for immediate insertion. Stand by for ETA.
Salazar, get it open. Enemy's optic systems. We need to get our techs working on analysis.
Maybe you should shoot up. They'll barely see you.
All right.
Son of a bitch! They got an ASU! Its front's too tough!
Spread out! Clear the area! Spread out! Clear the area!
pushing!
They sure as hell don't want us in here.
Target the nitrogen tank!
Smart thinking, Salazar. That shit blew up real good. Move left! They got more auto turrets!
Push through them!
Okay, we're clear.
This is 3D fabrication tech. Weapons, components, armor. Menendez is arming himself for war.
Woods told us how much wealth Menendez built over the years. He's been investing it in weapons tech.
Somebody's here.
Right, you little bastard. We work for Uncle Sam now.
Let's see what we got hidden in here.
Progress from a safety.
Please, don't hurt me!
Okay, come on out. This lab is linked to a known terrorist. You start talking or I will hurt you.
My name is Eric Briner. I'm a magnetometrist.
Yeah? And what is, Menendez's interest in you, buddy?
They brought me here to process the Solarium. It's a new, rare earth element that will render all existing microchip technologies obsolete. They're coming! Get me out of here alive! I'll give you everything!
Down!
Those lights above the valley, head towards them.
We're clear!
Now where's the Solarium?
This way. The locking mechanism requires 2 operators. On your go.
The Black Hand are highly trained mercs.
Follow me!
They're wholly owned by Espino.
His own private army.
Pretty good one, too.
Not good enough.
Quantum entanglement. This single device has more processing power than your entire military infrastructure. Rumors around the lab were that Menendez plans to use it as a basis for a massive cyber attack. I heard talk of something called Karma. It may be the name for the cyber weapon. If Menendez uses a Solarium worm to initiate an attack, there will be nothing anyone can do to stop
Not
it.
sure how you
Figure it out.
I couldn't stop it.
Harper! Get a sit rep on the support team!
Behind us! We got incoming! Kraken! Harper requesting confirmation on extraction team's ETA!
Defensive positions!
Kraken, come in! Damn it, no response.
We'll fight our way out, with or without support. This ain't over yet!
Your team can stand out.
It's Briggs! Stand out! It's the extraction team! Boy, are you a sight for sore eyes.
I guess we can call this mission accomplished.
Admiral Briggs, good to see you.
You too, Sergeant.
Whatever Menendez is planning, Solarium is the key to it.
We finally got one over on this cocksucker.
He's just a man, Admiral. He'd like you to think he's something more. But he ain't nothing but a sad, old, pitiful excuse of a man.